This is the demo for my web application Songbook. It's a way to keep track of the instruments you own as well as the songs you know how to play on them. All right, let's log in. Log in with Google. Cool. All right, so this is your home page as well. This is where everything happens. It's where you add your instruments, your songs, and your elements. Elements are just broken down parts of songs like choruses or verses or whatnot. You could also see your indexes here, and I'll show you that as soon as we can. They're empty right now, as you can see. Also, the flow of the application requires you to add an instrument first, and so I have these blocks on here, and gives you alerts of, how to handle it. So let's just add an instrument. I have an electric guitar in real life. This is just Chrome being Chrome. And here we go. You could also upload a picture. I have a stock photo here somewhere. Here we go. Not actually mine, it's still pretty cool. Let's add the instrument. And you can see everything happens here right on this one page. And now let's look at our instrument. There it is. Pretty cool. You could also edit it, and it's the same thing. You could delete the picture by clicking that, and voila, picture's gone. And everything will reset when you click these buttons right here. Let's add a song. So I have some songs already lined up. Forms are normalized, so since it's typed in, everything gets fixed. You'll need to pick an instrument. It won't let you submit the form without one. And you could also type in some lyrics if you want. Lyrics. And yeah, so let's check that out. Here are our songs. Pretty cool. And it would type out all the lyrics for us if we want. It shows us what instruments we know how to play the song on. If that was English, if it wasn't, I'm sorry. And now let's add an element. Cool. So this is, like I said, the structure of the song. And I figured it's a really good way since, people usually learn music this way by learning it, learning the intro, learning the chorus, learning it like that, or writing a song. It's possible for someone to actually enter their own music in here. There's no reason why they couldn't. And most people write songs this way where they write it one part at a time. So I let you add it one part at a time. And you could add the key, and you could say how fast it is, and you could put lyrics to individual parts. And you could say if you finish writing it or finish learning it or not using this checkbox. I also let you upload a picture of sheet music and also upload a recording. And so I already did a picture for the instrument, so let's upload a recording for this now. I have a little joke recording I made for this. There's no actual instrument play, but just to show you how it works. Now, if we look at our elements, there's the bridge to minor thing on guitar. You could read that right there. And yeah, I have an audio file right here that we could listen to. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm wearing headphones, and I kind of hope you can't because it's kind of silly. You could delete everything, but before I do that, I have this page, the musician profile, and here you could see, once a user actually fills this all up with data, you'll actually see some really cool stuff. Your stats about your favorite instrument, your favorite song, how many songs you learned, how many elements you learned. And, I figure that's really cool for a user to be able to see. As for the aesthetic of it, I think it's pretty clear what I'm going for here. I'm not shy about it. I do have plans to eventually go through Spotify's API. But until then, this will have to do. And why don't we just purge everything? It's just as easy as clicking delete, and you could see that everything just gets deleted right away. Everything's just happening on this one page. It's really cool. Yeah, and then I get those alerts again. Well, that's really it. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and I hope maybe one day someone else could use it. Thank you.